In this video, we're going to learn how to save user input to a CSV file using just Python and PyWebIO. No HTML, no front-end hassle, just pure Python simplicity. Let's walk through the code. In the Save to CSV function, we first ask the user to enter their name using input. Then we open a file called data.csv in append mode with new line equals. This ensures that each new name goes on a separate line without extra blank rows. We create a CSV writer using csv.writerf and call writer.name to write the input as a single row in the CSV file. Finally, we show a message to the user using put text that confirms the name has been saved. Now, let's run the Python file. Once it starts, you'll see a web address. Open it in your browser. Enter a name, click the button, and PyWebIO will save that name to a CSV file in your project folder. Let's go check the folder. And yes, there it is. Data.csv has been created, and it includes the name you entered. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you're following along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.